Hi Janet, here's the property. You have some guest parking right over there, and you'll see the entrance to your section right across there. So you're pretty close to where you would drive in. And as you can kind of see from here, but I'll show you better inside, you do have one of the best lake views in this entire section. You have a long lake view. Most everyone else has a much smaller lake view. Nice screen enclosure in front of the door, so you can get a nice cross draft when you open up the Lanai slider as well. So as we sort of discussed, there's a jack for the TV over there, so that really would be most likely where you'd want to put the TV. But I mean, I guess theoretically you could put one there, but I think the area is a little bit smaller than most people would want for a TV spot. All the appliances look great. And of course your Lanai area, it's a nice size, and you do have a slider there as well. So you can make it a dedicated outdoor area, or you can use it as under air. But I think this is really what kind of sells this property, is the beautiful view here at the end. Definitely has one of the best views in the community. There's your master suite. Private access to the Lanai. View out of the master suite as well. This one's a walk-in closet, and then this one's a little bit smaller. Dual sinks, linen closet. Technically a den, but you could probably use it as a bedroom as well. It's definitely a nice size. It's just missing a closet. Hot water heater. Looks to be in good shape. And then just another linen closet. Guest bathroom. Washer and dryer look to be relatively new as well. And decent guest closet as well. Kind of a nice little bonus closet here. It's quite large. This is where you could store beach things and things of that nature. Well, I hope this helps you out.